Welcome to Schedule. Hello, my name's Mel, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create service levels, activities, setup rates, and more. You can think of service levels as the different types of services you offer to clients, each with its own invoice and pay rate structure. Some examples of service levels are level 1, 2, and 3, armed guard, and guard with a dog. So let's go and head over to the service levels section and click All. Here, you'll see your list of service levels in your system. You can create a new service level by clicking the Add New button at the top right corner. In the service level page, you'll find 4 tabs. The first one is the General Information tab, and here you can add the name, short code, and assign the service level to a group. The short code is used when bulk uploading shifts to a roster via CSV files. In this file, you'll need to enter the short code for the service level you're linking a shift to. The short code cannot have spaces, but it can be as short or as long as you want it to be. The Service Group field is an optional function that allows you to group service levels. This can come in handy when creating multiple service levels for a specific client or event and will help to keep your account organized. The next tab is called Activities. Activities are used to provide information on the task or position a staff member will perform during a shift. For example, if you're rostering for a nightclub, you might choose the service level as Level 2 and then select an activity like front door or crowd control. Activities are optional and can be linked to one or many service levels. To do so, simply select the activities that are relevant for the service level and then use the arrow in the middle to move these options to the right and then click Save Changes. Moving on, the next tab is called Licenses and Qualifications. Here you can link any relevant licenses and other training as requirements to a specific service level. The main difference between a license and a qualification is that licenses are mandatory requirements while qualifications are not. The system will always prevent you from rostering any staff that don't hold the required licenses for a specific service level. However, for qualifications, the system will allow you to select a staff member even if that staff member doesn't have the specified qualifications, but you will see a warning message when creating that shift. To link licenses or qualifications to a service level, just select them and move them to the box on the right and then save your changes. Lastly, we have the Rates tab. Here you can set the invoice rates you want to charge your clients and the payroll rates for both permanent and casual staff. You can also set the overtime rates. When creating a new service level, you'll see the default rates are set up under the Shift Schedules section. However, you can always update these by clicking the pencil. Then you'll have the option to set your new rates for each shift schedule that should apply to this service level. Scrolling down, you'll find the overtime rates table, which lists the overtime rules created in the Shift Schedule section. To update these rates, simply click the icon on the right, add your new rates, and then click the Save Changes button. And this wraps up another video. See you in the next one.